Is it her? Okay. Hi guys, you're welcome to another video on my channel. If you're new here, my name is Regina and you're welcome to Meet Regina. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use oatmeal for your skin and beauty needs. I have had a lot of skin issues over the years, and I don't even know the category of skin I fall under. So my skin is not like 100% perfect yet, but I can say that it has moved from 0 to like 90. Like, different things I have used has actually helped me a lot, and oatmeal being one of them is what has made me to actually come and share this with you today. As you guys can see that my skin is not still the perfect glowing kind of skin that you, but do not be discouraged, because all this that you're seeing is due to that time of the girly time of the month that all this nonsense comes from. Like, it's always the most difficult period for me. I don't even like it because I tend to have lots and lots of breakouts. So I use oatmeal to treat my acne, blackheads, and to also exfoliate my skin. So in this video today, I'll be showing you how to use oatmeal in these three different skin conditions or skin issues. So before we get into the main, if you haven't hit on the subscribe button, if you haven't joined the family yet, please do hit on the subscribe button, and shout out to the 15 subscribers that I have. You guys are the real MVP. Thank you guys for subscribing to this channel. So without much further ado, let's go right straight into the video. So the first on the list is actually using oatmeal to treat acne. I've battled with acne like so much. This one is like the most common thing that pops up on my face like every time. Pimple like everywhere. So oatmeal has worked tremendously well for me in this aspect, and I can say that I could actually say the same for you if you use it well. So oatmeal contains zinc that actually help to reduce inflammation and also kills the acne causing bacterial action. So guys, I'll be showing you how to use oatmeal to treat acne. So guys, enjoy. Add blended tomato paste to the max. That is if you're not allergic to tomatoes. I actually didn't add it, and I don't use it because I don't like the smell of tomatoes on my face. So, but if you're comfortable with using it, then you can use it like ASAP. The next on the list is using oatmeal to treat blackheads. Like I said earlier, oatmeal contains chemical compounds called saponins, which are known for their natural cleansing activities. Blackheads are like the worst skin animal, always showing up like dark spot like everywhere on your face, very annoying something. So oatmeal helps actually declog your pores and give you a fresh and glowing skin. So enjoy. you're wondering why we use orange juice, orange juice contains vitamin C, and vitamin C is an antioxidant that actually works in brightening the skin. So if you have blackheads, the product, whatever products that you will be using, actually has to contain an ingredient that is responsible to brighten your skin. So vitamin C is very, I can say like it's one of the best to actually use. So in the absence of orange, you can use any of that citrus fruit actually. The next on the list is using oatmeal to exfoliate my skin. This is even the one I love so much. Now if you have another product that you use to actually exfoliate your skin, it doesn't matter, you can alternate between oatmeal and that whatever product that you use. I also use the Pure Skin face scrub from Oriflame. Oatmeal helps in the removal of all dead skin cells on the skin outermost surface, and it gives you a fresh and healthy skin that you deserve. So enjoy the tutorial. So in the absence of coconut oil, you can make use of honey. Honey is also another great ingredient that works absolutely well for the skin. You can use this scrub like 2 times a week consistently, and if you're beginning to see the results and it changes on your skin, then you can reduce it to once a week. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed these unbelievable tips about oatmeal. I was as shocked and surprised as most of you could be like right now. So if you want a nourished and healthy skin, then you need to start using oatmeal like ASAP to treat all your skin enemies. But however, for any reason, if oatmeal is not suiting your skin or you are noticing any reactions on your skin, then it's advised that you stop immediately. I have a couple of articles on my blog that you might find useful, and I'll put the links in the description box below. Don't forget to give this video a thumb up if you enjoyed it. Your likes will actually make me know what part of my content you enjoy, and I'll be able to create more of this content. Thank you guys for watching to the end. See you in my next video.